Hello there. I'm Newoka LaShelle, non-traditional student at St. Louis University School for Professional Studies. This How to Create Instant Digital Media speech was prepared for the Public Speaking and Organizational Life class. For those of you who are not familiar with instant media, one of the ways that you can create instant media is if you have a webcam or if you are familiar with photography or videography. You don't have to be a professional. This is something that anybody can do. If you are familiar, you have to be computer savvy. But if you are familiar with the Windows Movie Maker and if you are familiar with how to upload your videos that you take from your digital camera to YouTube or any other, like your Facebook videos, your MySpace videos, you are already 100% ahead of the game. Because once you upload it online, all you have to do is click on a few buttons and find out exactly what you want to add to it for your instant media, and you can publish it for your audience. It's also ideal for Toastmasters, or if you are an aspiring speaker or a professional speaker. Instant digital media can play a major role depending on what you create it for. So let's take a look at how you can create a digital media for a public speaker, such as I'm doing right now. I am going to show you how you can turn this into something really fun with animation to hold your audience attention, and you'll be able to publish it online. It will be compatible for your YouTube. It'll be compatible for your other social networks like Facebook, MySpace, your personal blogs and websites. And we're going to go ahead and see exactly how this works. It also comes with an HTML code. So if you are good at copying and pasting your HTML codes into your websites and into your blogs, this will be great instant media that will give you the necessary tools for you to be able to go ahead and move that stuff around on the internet as you need to. Okay, there are 3 steps. One, you're going to use Windows Movie Maker. You should already have that on your laptop computer or your personal computer. It's a program that normally comes with standard computers, and you're going to use One True Media to add your animation. And last, you're going to upload your One True Media to your YouTube. That way, you're going to be able to put all of your animation together. You're going to be able to post it and publish it online. And you're, like I said before earlier, you will be provided with a code. If you are not familiar with the HTML code, but you are familiar with the basic functions of copying and pasting, you're still good because they do provide this code for you, and you don't have to look around for it. As of course, as you know, YouTube also has it to where you can post your videos onto your website. One True Media is also the same. You can post the videos from your website directly from your One True Media, and you also have a video studio. So you're always able to go back with One True Media. Now this is like the big catcher. The One True Media is free. They do have a free part. When you log on and you register with this website, it is free to register. And once you do that, you're able to change it. If you ever decide that you want to change your animations in your video and you want it to change all over the internet as well, all of the videos you've ever posted on your blogs, all of that will change. It's a really amazing. All you have to do is log into that one True Media, and you're able to make all of your changes to all of your videos that you've posted through that website. The only difference with the One True Media once you upload it to YouTube is that the YouTube video, once it's published from One True Media, you cannot change the animation, but you can change your animation and add photos. You can add videos to your video, to your One True Media, and you can add up to 1 hour of content into that player. Let me show you how. We're going to get off into some of the visual aids. I'm going to do a screencast for you. And this is an example of what we call instant digital media. If you were a teacher and you are using Blackboard and you wanted to, let's say you wanted to do a PowerPoint presentation and you wanted to do something that gave your students a visual aid, the Community Clips is another program that you can use. It's free to register. Every website that I'm mentioning right now, it's free to register, They have free animations and things of that nature that you can use. You can also edit, and all of this is compatible with each other. Everything that I've mentioned, the One True Media, YouTube, the community, Microsoft Community Clips, and the Windows Movie Maker are all compatible. And you can take that instant media and you can include it in your social networking websites. Again, like Facebook, MySpace, your Ning websites, personal blogs, personal websites, business websites. And we're going to go ahead and start looking at what the visual aids would look like. The visual aids are going to be screen shots of the screen, and it's going to be fast forwarded a little bit so that you can see what you can slow it down, or however it is that you want to do it, or pause it. But I'm going to show you step by step. Follow the arrow in the screencast. That's going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to be telling you how to do it from behind the scenes. I'm Newoka LaShelle. Let's take a look at our visual aids on how to create instant digital media.